there's another really cool function called same period last year. And what this does is it returns a column that shifts the information back 1 year. So if I want to know the total sales for the same period last year, I'm going to create a new measure. I'll right-click on the Internet Sales query and choose New Measure. This measure is called Prior Year's Sales. Prior year sales equals, Shift Enter. I want to calculate, square bracket, the total sales, there's my measure, comma, but for the same period last year, there it is there. And I'm going to ask it to look at my date column, which you'll find in dim date. Let me just try, there we go there, that particular date there. Close the bracket, that closes off my same period last year function. Close the bracket, that closes off my calculate function. Press Enter. Here is my measure, prior year's sales. I'm going to format that to currency, English New Zealand. And then I want to add that to my matrix. So I drag prior year sales and drop it on my matrix. I want to remove all the values from my bucket except for total sales and prior year sales. Now what I end up with is some months in some years have no figures. And those blanks are because we didn't sell anything the prior year in December or November or October. We actually didn't start selling until we came into 2005 and the first, well, we didn't actually sell until, yes, 2005 and July. There were no prior year sales.